Hi, I'm checking in with you all really quick. I hope that you all are making progress and finding the resources helpful. Let's get back to the basics. Reading, writing, and arithmetic, the schoolhouse concept. Today's topic, writing. Finger exercises to be specific. Movements in your child's hands, wrists, and fingers are used for fine motor skills. Research states the quality of task outcome and the speed of task performance depend on good fine motor skills. Basically, how well your child writes legibly, ties their shoelaces, zips and buttons their clothes depend on efficient fine motor skills. When children develop and strengthen fine motor skills at home, academic skills like writing legibly, finger-based numerical skills, early reading development, and even working memory and hand-eye coordination are easily enhanced when they get to school. Check out these fun finger exercises to help develop and strengthen your child's fine motor skills. Stay tuned. Hey, fine motor skills are essential. We'll be using these skills for the rest of our lives, right? So children should have opportunities to practice using their fine motor skills every day. Remember, 1% progress every day adds up to 365% progress at the end of the year. Keep going. Oh, and hey, hit that link in my bio to connect with me. Send me a question if you have one, and like and share this video. Thanks.